What details do adjusters look for in auto accident photos? Imagine trying to piece together what happened in a car crash just by looking at photos. Adjusters do this every day to figure out how bad the damage is and who might be responsible. When they review accident photos, they want to see the full picture of the vehicle's condition. That means taking pictures from all four corners: front left, front right, and back left. These shots show the overall damage and help compare the vehicle's state before and after the accident. Close-up photos are just as important. Adjusters look for dents, scratches, broken parts, and any structural issues. Multiple angles of each damaged area help them see how severe the damage is and what parts need fixing. Context matters too. Wide-angle shots of the scene show where the vehicle was parked or how it was positioned when the crash happened. These images help explain how the accident occurred, especially if there are road signs, traffic signals, or obstacles nearby. Photos of the vehicle identification number, license plate, and odometer are also essential. They confirm the car's identity and mileage, which are key for processing the claim and estimating repair costs. If the vehicle had previous damage, photos should clearly show those areas so adjusters know what is new damage from the current accident. Photos of other involved vehicles or property are necessary if they were hit or damaged. This helps determine liability and make sure all damages are accounted for. When taking photos, avoid blurry or poorly lit images. Clear, focused pictures are easier for adjusters to review. It's best to take photos immediately after the accident, following a consistent order. Start with the four corners, then close-ups, then scene shots. Make sure every important detail is captured clearly. Doing this speeds up the claims process and makes sure you get fair compensation. Remember, detailed and organized photos give adjusters everything they need to accurately evaluate your claim and help you move forward smoothly.